Hello, Blake here with another fun little interesting RC. I don't even know if I can call it a car. It almost looks like a tank. Really looking forward to this one. At friend's house, so we're gonna really test the off-road capabilities. I already opened it so I could charge up the batteries. It does come with two. And first impressions, the remote. It's really lightweight, but at the same time, the actual gear mechanisms are very solid. So, and it is, so you're gonna have to move them like this to steer. If you want to turn left, you go like that, turn right, so on and so forth. So, we will test this out, and man, this thing is cool. Really looking forward to getting this thing out, and we'll give it a road test and test out all different kinds of terrain. So I will be back with that. Also should mention it does take AAAs, and I'm not seeing any that came with it, but luckily I have some. Okay, so we're going to give this, I don't even know what to call it. A tank? Is it a car? I don't know, but let's just hope it's a fun. Alright, so turn it on. And then turn the controller on. Again, the controller is pretty simple with the two forward directional buttons. So to go forward. Huh. That's pretty zippy. I thought this was going to be a lot slower because of the tracks. Definitely seems like something you gotta play with a bit. It has speed buttons? Interesting. I don't know if it does anything, because these two, this one doesn't seem to click and that one doesn't seem to click, but the center does. Oh, I wonder if that, oh, okay. So the light on the back of it. Definitely going to take some getting used to exactly how it works. Because it just seems almost like it can go any direction at once. And it does have, you will see on the back, these little roller wheels to protect it when it flips like that. So that's nice. So let's see if green means faster. All right, pretty nice. And let's see how it handles in terrain. Man, the steering is, like I said, you just gotta get used to it. Man, I can't even get it to go the way that I want it to go, but I'm sure with some practice. I mean, like, especially when you just have the two directional knobs, like, so to turn, you'd hold. Well. It doesn't seem like it's ever going to get stuck anywhere, because it'll just flip it around. As I say that, of course. Oh. So technically I'm going in reverse. Let's turn it that way. If it doesn't like what you're doing, it'll just flip over and still be drivable. like I said, I just need some practice with it. But overall, I mean, like I said, you see it on the, if I can get it to, there we go. These long little vine things are not being nice. Ooh, looks like the tread came off a little. Oh, that's a little concerning. Yeah, that tread doesn't have a lot to keep it in place. You can see, and it's pretty flexible. So, I mean, you know, it's still pretty cool. I was really hoping it wouldn't have any trouble getting up on that. But either way, I mean, definitely fun. It's one of a kind. I've never seen anything like it. So definitely worth checking out.